Tired of spending hours cleaning your home? Searching for ways to make your house spotless in just a few minutes? Well, you're in the right place. We understand that your time is precious, and we're about to share some incredible cleaning hacks that will help you maintain a pristine home with minimal effort. These are not your everyday cleaning tips. These are tried and true methods that will revolutionize your cleaning routine. Stick around to discover simple and effective cleaning hacks that will transform your cleaning routine. Ever heard of the dynamic duo, baking soda and vinegar? They're not just for baking and salad dressing. This powerful pair is about to become your go-to for home cleaning. The magic begins when you mix equal parts of baking soda and vinegar. This concoction results in a fizzy reaction that's perfect for tackling stubborn stains on kitchen counters, bathroom tiles, and sinks. Here's how it works. First, sprinkle a generous amount of baking soda over the area you want to clean. Next, pour vinegar over it and watch the magic happen. The mixture will start to fizz and bubble, lifting the dirt and grime from the surface. Then simply wipe it away with a cloth. What's even better is that baking soda and vinegar are natural, non-toxic cleaning agents. They're safe for you, your family, and your pets. Just like that, tough stains and grime disappear with the power of baking soda and vinegar. When life gives you lemons, clean your house. Now, this may sound a bit quirky, but lemons can be quite the cleaning powerhouse. With their natural acidity, they can cut through tough grime and grease. And let's not forget that delightful citrus scent. For instance, hard water stains on your faucets and fixtures can be a real eyesore. Just cut a lemon in half, rub it over the affected area, leave it for a few minutes, then rinse. You'll be amazed at how those stains disappear. And what about a natural deodorizer? If there's an unpleasant odor lingering in your home, simply simmer a pot of water with a few lemon slices. The refreshing scent will permeate throughout your home, eliminating any unpleasant smells. But that's not all. You can even use a lemon to clean and freshen up your cutting boards. Rub a cut lemon over the surface, rinse, and voila, a clean, fresh-smelling board. With lemons, your home won't just be clean, it'll be lemon fresh. Forget about regular cleaning rags. It's time to embrace the magic of microfiber cloths. These aren't your ordinary cleaning tools. Microfiber cloths are made of tiny fibers, even smaller than a single strand of human hair. These fibers create a large surface area that is exceptional at picking up dust, dirt, and even bacteria, making them a superior choice for a deep clean. One of the best things about microfiber cloths is that they work wonders without the need for extra cleaning solutions. Just a bit of water and you're good to go. They can be used dry for dusting and polishing, or damp for a more intense clean. Plus, they're reusable. Just toss them in the washing machine and they're ready for their next cleaning adventure. So, not only are they effective, but they're also eco-friendly. A microfiber cloth might just become your new favorite cleaning tool. Steam isn't just for your morning shower, it's a powerful cleaning ally. Now let's talk about the wonderful world of steam cleaning. Steam is a fantastic tool for deep cleaning because it can penetrate into those tiny cracks and crevices that are otherwise hard to reach. Think about your bathroom and kitchen, places that often become breeding grounds for bacteria. Steam can help sanitize these areas, leaving them squeaky clean and germ-free. It's like having a mini pressure washer at your disposal, blasting away dirt and grime with ease. But how do you harness this power? The answer is a handheld steam cleaner. This nifty gadget uses water heated to high temperatures to produce steam that can dislodge dirt and kill bacteria. It's simple to use too. Just fill it with water, let it heat up, and you're ready to steam clean your way to a spotless home. Remember, steam works wonders on a variety of surfaces, from ceramic tiles to stainless steel appliances. Harness the power of steam for a truly deep clean. Cleaning your home doesn't have to be a time-consuming chore. Remember that? It's the crux of what we've been discussing. So let's take a moment to revisit the amazing hacks we've uncovered and see how they can transform your cleaning routine. First up, we delved into the wonders of the dynamic duo, baking soda and vinegar. Not only are these items likely already in your pantry, but they also pack a punch when it comes to cleaning. Baking soda is a natural deodorizer that absorbs odors, while vinegar cuts through grease and grime. Together, they create a fizzing action that can tackle even the toughest stains. So next time you're faced with a stubborn mess, remember the baking soda and vinegar magic. We then moved on to the refreshing power of lemons. These citrus fruits are a hidden gem in the cleaning world. Their natural acidity makes them excellent for cutting through tough grime, and their fresh scent leaves your home smelling wonderful. Plus, they're eco-friendly. So the next time life gives you lemons, use them to freshen up your home. Our third hack introduced you to the magic of microfiber cloths. These aren't just any old rags. They are designed to pick up and trap dirt rather than just moving it around. Plus, they can be used dry or damp, making them versatile for all kinds of cleaning tasks. So, invest in a set of these cleaning wonders, and you'll be amazed at how quickly you can dust and clean surfaces. Finally, we explored the power of steam. This isn't just for your clothes or cooking vegetables. Steam can sanitize surfaces, remove wrinkles from fabrics, and even clean grout. It's a natural and effective way to clean without using harsh chemicals. And the best part? It's quick and easy. So don't be afraid to let off some steam next time you're cleaning. In a nutshell, each of these hacks offers a simple yet effective way to keep your home spotless in less time. They're all about working smarter, not harder, and using what you already have at home. So don't let cleaning be a daunting task. Take these hacks to heart and let them revolutionize your cleaning routine. With these hacks, you'll have a spotless home in minutes. Happy cleaning!